You can see that this is Nature Republic brown, golden brown hair color cream. This is a permanent hair dye from a Korean manufacturer. Nature Republic is kind of well-known cosmetic company in Korea for their natural ingredients included in their products. You can see here there is olive, coconut, and I don't know what is that. Flowers? Yeah, in that. So it's supposed to be very mild for the hair. And the inside, I have used it. It's just have the basic. You can see it here, like the coloring tube and the conditioner and the instruction. However, what I want to say here is that the color turned out to be great, but what I expect from Nature Republic is that it doesn't dry out my hair after dyeing, but it did. I dyed my hair with the hair dye from L'Oreal. L'Oreal is really terrible in hair care. The color is not great either, so I never go back to L'Oreal, but I have high expectation from Nature Republic since I'm really a Korean cosmetic freak and I trust in every natural product, but it seems like they have a lot of chemical in this hair dye. When I dyed my hair at home, I smell a strong smell of ammonia, and my room is like in a hair salon. It smells really strong in chemicals, and after a few days my hair starts to fall, so I often gather like 20s or 30s of my hair around the room, on the floor, on my clothes, like that. It's a really terrible thing that haven't happened to me before I use this hair dye. Yeah, however, the color is great, but the hair thinning is a problem. You can see here is my hair. No. Here. It's really dry. Even though yesterday I have a hair mask with coconut oil and almond oil and honey, so it's supposed to be very moisturizing, but it just turns out to be really dry like this, and it's really easy to fall. So I'm really disappointing on Nature Republic.